Yes, man. We have some sweet corn here that we planted last week. About to plant a bunch of more sweet corn. These are some little ones that already been planted. Plant all the way through here. But we need to go to stage 2 now. Stage 2 is going to be growing some pigs, cows, goats, and chicken. I'm going to build in the back goat pen, chicken coop, and pig house. I'm going to start doing it next month. By June, July, maybe August, I want to start bringing the pigs, the goats, and the cows. Yeah, man. Time to move to plan 2. So, we're still here in Trelawney, Jamaica. We have 100 acres of farmland, family farmland. Looking for it still. Investor if needed. Just call me. Ricardo Campbell. Jamaican number is 876-376-1027. And my US number is 206-1544, 786 area code. I'm a real estate broker still in Florida. So if you need a house and you want to sell your house in Florida to move back to Jamaica, I know all the gated communities and nice areas. Okay, or vice versa. If you're looking to sell your land or sell your house in Jamaica, call me, 876-376-1027. I've been in business for 35 years, 35 years, I can tell you all the information you need. I can be everything that you need for advice in the intermediate response. When you call, I call you back right away. If not, don't answer. You won't have to wait 3 days or 4 days to get a return call. You'll get a return call if I don't answer at the same time. If I don't answer, me on the farm. But every 3 hours, we'll go check my phone and return calls. Yeah, man. Peace up, bless up.